Everyone, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can block any website you want in Chrome. To begin, you want to open up Chrome and you want to write block site extension. From there on, you should find this one right here. If you press on it, it will lead you to this page in the Chrome Web Store where you can add this extension to Chrome. So we're going to be adding this. And as you can see, it is being downloaded. It should only take a few seconds. And as you can see, block site has been successfully added. Now, you want to press on I accept and press skip. From there on, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can block websites using the extension. Let's say we want to block GitHub. We're going to go to github.com. And as soon as we're on the website, we're simply going to right click and go to block site, block website, stay focused, and we want to press on block the site. So from there, it will lead you to this page. So from now on, if I open up GitHub and I am to press GitHub, it will bring me to this page saying the website has been blocked. Other than that, that's the tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you do have any problems, make sure to comment down below and we'll be sure to try and resolve it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.